Right, next step. Up to chart of accounts we have seen now.
Yeah, assign chart of account in account.
Yes. Like 4 account groups, assets, liabilities, expenses, and income. We have given the range, and we have assigned that chart of accounts to the company codes. Okay, next, right, tolerance group.
This is next step, right?
Yes, next step.
20, yeah.
20, correct. 20. Tolerance group. In the bracket, you write setting the limit, setting the limit for the account entries. Setting the limit for the account entries. Slash and OBA4. Slash and A4, correct. New entries. Give your company code. HP1. Not that one. Company code. Here down 2 columns are there now. Amount per document. There you give like 1 crore, 190s like that. You give some limit. Down also. Same. Enter, save. This is nothing simple. We are providing one tolerance limit. Okay. First limit is for posting the GL entries. Second limit is for the AR and AP, like that. Whenever we post any entries, that amount what we are giving the SAP, that amount will be. This is the limit amount. Some amount we will give. Based upon this amount, the entry will be generated.
So this is not only for GL but also subledger.
Exactly. Correct. Exactly. Like that they have designed like tolerance limit. Okay.
So what is cash discount? Cash discount for the line item?
No, those are no need. That is different story. Main is for posting the entries. We will see this. Okay. Next one, right? Retained earning accounts.
Profit transfer.
Step 21.
21. Retained earning accounts.
So it is different from the 4 account, right? Asset line.
Yes. Retained earning accounts. In the bracket, you write definition. It is used to carry forward the balance to the next year. It is used to carry forward the. It is used to carry forward the balance
next year
to the next year. What balance means? Profit and loss balance. What balance means? Profit and loss balance. Actually, this part auditors will be there, no? They will take care all these things. Retained earning accounts. Okay.
How it's working? It's month on month. It will be accumulated every month. Close the books.
Every month, depend upon the company. 2 months, 3 months, they will take care. Okay, one GL they will create. In that GL, they will proceed all these things. Okay, here what we will do now, we will give one default GL. One standard GL we will give. They will remove that account and they will give the original account. On liability account.
So GL in the sense dedicated P&L account.
Right? Yes. That next step, that one only. OB53 /OB53. /n OB 53. Give the chart of account. HPCA, no, our chart of account. Here PL statement put X. Account 1999. 2 times enter you put. Save. That's all. In this account they will do.
So here defining the GL account for PM.
Yes. That's all. Okay, they will take care all those things. Actually, we won't touch this step. Okay, but formally one design in SAP, one formal design they have given. Afterwards, what they will do, they will remove that one and they will create their own GL account. Okay. If they required. Okay. These are the main steps, Suresh, all of them. Okay. Implementation steps are up to here. Okay, these 21 steps are mandatory to execute one company. If you miss a single step also, it will affect somewhere else.
21, right? Total 21.
21 is mandatory steps. Okay, to implement one single company, we need to do step by step creation of company, organization, company codes, assigning business areas. Okay, credit control area, assigning credit control area, creation of physical year variant, assigning physical year variant, next to posting period variant, opening and close posting period variant, next document types, next number ranges, next posting keys, next concept field status variant. Already we discussed like status of the column, like mandatory, required, optional, suppress. Next chart of accounts. Okay, creating of different types of groups, like balance sheet accounts and profit and loss accounts, assets, liabilities, expenses, and incomes. Next tolerance limit we have set up for the company code and the retained earning accounts. These are all the 21 major steps. Okay, finally what we need to do means we need to deactivate this company in document splitting. That is the last step they have designed. Okay. Go. Deactivation of
Next step.
Last. After completion of 21 steps, we need to activate and deactivate in document splitting. The T code will be /n SPRO.
Deactivation of
Company code. /n SPRO. Go to SAP reference IMG. Here financial accounting is there, no? Click that one. No, arrow mark you click. Here GL accounting is there, no? Here business transaction is there, huh?
Yeah.
Here document splitting is there, no? In business transaction, document splitting is there, huh? Otherwise, go in another financial accounting new is there, no? Go there.
Financial accounting new.
Is there, huh? Next to general ledger accounting. Business transaction.
Document splitting, yes.
Yes, here only. Okay, here down you see activate document splitting.
Yes.
That clock button. Double click that one, deactivation per company code. Go to position. Give HP1. Enter. Your company code will be here. Click on tick mark. Save.
Save.
Save. Enter. Save. Enter. Okay. Write a small note. Global parameters. Note. Global parameters. Details of the organization. OBY6. To check the details of the organization. Global parameters. To check the details of the organization. /n OBY6.
OB, B for boy.
Yes. /n OBY6.
Okay.
Type that one. /n OBY6. Here your company code will be there. Position. Give HP1 and double click. This is only view purpose only. Continue. Double click.
Here.
Double click. See, whatever we created now, it will be available here. Okay, you can view here your company code, your currency, your language, your chart of account, your credit control area, your posting period variant, your physical year variant, everything will be available here. Okay, see, somebody has implemented the company code. See, we are having 4, 5, for example, 10 company codes. Are single company is having 10 company codes. Okay, different. You have implemented one company code. Another person has implemented the company code. Somebody has implemented. Okay, we can go and check for that company code. What are the things they have implemented? See, wherever you go, they will give the company code. Okay, but for that company code, what chart of account they have designed, what is the credit control area, what are the credit limit they have set up, and for account groups, what are the ranges they have given, we can find out. Correct? No.
Yeah.
Okay, with these global parameters. Why? Because company code will be available in hand. Wherever you go in the organization, only company code only they will provide. Okay, for that company code, what setup they have done, what configuration they have done. Okay, we can find. Okay, go to global parameters. With that company code, we can find the chart of account, for example. Okay, in that chart of account, what for the particular groups, what number ranges I have assigned, I can check.
Even can we able to check all the whether the period, the financial period?
Everything.
So we need to double click.
That's why all. If you see, you created one company code, Venkatesh. Correct? No. Yeah. For example, assume that you created some HT company, HTC company, for example. Okay, and something you have done some configuration. We don't know what you have done. Correct? No.
Yeah.
For example,
correct. Yeah. Tomorrow, if you want to see all this details.
See, for example, I have joined the company. For example, you left the company. Okay, I don't know what you have implemented, but I know that what company code you have implemented.
Correct. Yeah.
What company or what company code you have implemented, that information only they will give to me, for example. Okay, But with the global parameter, I know the company code of what you created, correct? No? For example, I will go to the global parameters. I will give your company code HTC1. When I double click, no, I will get all the informations what you have implemented.
Okay.
Then I will take one by one and I will go and check what configuration you have done.
Okay. So,
Like
so
that I
if
can.
we maybe from here, if we click double click the chart of accounts, it will go to the chart of accounts level, or
No, not like that. Okay, you can see that chart of account and you can go to that particular code and you can check what are the settings you have done for chart of account.
Okay.
Here you physical year variant, one thing you have designed, something HP HK you have designed. Okay, I can go and check in physical year variant HK, what is that one, how you have designed, like how many periods you have set up. Okay, and I will take your posting period variant and I will go and check how you have designed, what months you have opened. Okay, for example, for your company code, I need to open the period. Okay, but I don't know what is the posting period of your company code. No, correct? No.
Correct.
Why? Because I need to open the period in the posting period variant. But
I
I
know
know
only the company name
company
only.
code. Company code only. With the help of company code, I will pick the posting period variant here. Okay. Then I will go to OB52. Okay. I will give the posting period variant there and I will change the status. Okay. Same like that. Like field status variant also. Something you created. I don't know what field status variant you have created, how you have designed it. With the help of the company code, I will see here what is your field status variant you have implemented. Okay, then I will go to OBC4. I will give this field status variant there. Then I will check which fields you have kept. What is? I will check all the status.
Okay.
Like that, I can find everything what they have implemented. Like that with the help of company code. That's why company code is like SWOT. Okay, why? Because with the help of the company code, I can find out all the details of the organizations. See how many company codes are there. 15 company codes in the company they have implemented, but we don't know what configurations they have done, what setups they have done. But we can find. Why? Because everything is linked to company only. Okay, that's why wherever I go the organization, okay, they will provide me the company code only. Setups, GitHubs, they don't know what they have implemented. I don't know. No. Okay, but I can find. I can go and find what configurations you have done, what are the things you have involved, what type of GLs you have created. Okay, how many types of GLs you have created, how many types of customers you have created, how many types of vendors you have created, how many types of assets you have created, how many types of banks you have created. Everything I can find with the help of the company code. Okay, that is the problem. This is the first part over. Okay, up to here, you people need to be a little bit perfect. Next, I will go for GL creations. Okay, so before going to GL creations, I required some assets, some liabilities, some expenses, and some incomes names.
Okay.
Names. Okay, like 5 assets names, 5 liability names, 5 expenses names, and 5 income names. If you search in a Google and find some names means, I will tell how to create those GL accounts in the SAP for our company code.
Okay, so before going to that, one clarification on step 22, we are activating, deactivating the company codes, right? What is actually exact what we are doing here?
Actually, what is this one? No, in some versions, no need to do this one. EHP8 like that. Okay, in some old versions were there, no, like at that time what happened, no, we need to do this document splitting to deactivate the organization. That is the process. That is old process actually. Okay, some companies are there, they are using like document splitting one concept. Okay, like they are using some profit centers, some companies for that one, no need to require these things to deactivate that one. Okay, but whenever they have implemented the versions, I told you, different versions are there: EHP 6, EHP 7, EHP 8.
Yeah.
Okay, I think this in this test server, okay, we required to do that deactivation. That's all, nothing else. Means with that help only, the company is ready to post allow the entries in this version, like that. Like that, you can understand. Simple. Okay.
Yeah.
And before that, you need to ready the accounts. Accounts are very, very important. We required minimum 10 accounts in each group. You can find it in a Google or whatever it may be.
Name, right? What are the expenses like that? Only
Names, exactly. 10 assets.
Okay.
Yeah, 5 assets. Yeah, 10 assets. Some liabilities, some expenses, and some incomes. If you find all the names and keep it ready, means I will show you how to create one asset. I will show you how to create one liability. I will show you how to create one expenses. I will show you how to create one income. I will show you how to create. Rest of the things you need to implement everything. One thing I will show you. After GL creation, then what we will do now? Then I will try to post one small account entry, GL entry. Okay, and I will test whether the entry is coming successfully or not. I will post one entry with the help of the GL accounts. Whatever you are giving now, GL accounts. Okay, with the help of those GL accounts, I will try to post one account entry. For example, salary entry I need to post. Okay, I will post salary to cash. Salary will be debit, cash will be debit. When I post the entry, the document number should generate. Okay, and the entry should post successfully. After posting the entries, I will check the report, whether the report is coming correct or wrong. Okay, when we post a wrong entry, how we need to do? How we need to reverse? Okay, in the SAP, deletion is not possible. Now only I'm telling. Okay, once you post, that is final. Okay,
Only reversal is possible.
only reversal only possible. Deletion is not possible. Okay, that I will show you one by one. But before that, you people need to be create one company, keep in hand ready. See, HP1 is ready, but every person should have one company code in hand. That is my intention. Then only it will be easy for you to